Select here the filter computer based. So I want to select here the computer based because I want to deploy with computer based. Right. So type here the computer host name. Okay. Right. I have select my computer here, and you can select here the your remote office through. Want to create a remote office, or you want to deploy to multiple computers. So i- if you want to deploy multiple computers, so you need to create a custom configuration. Like here I am showing you in admin tab. Go to admin tab. Here you can see the uh, admin tab. Admin tab, here you can see custom group. Right. In custom group, create a custom computer based group, and here is the option create the group name Chrome installation machines. Right. Chrome installation machines, and here is the option available computers. You import computers like sample CSV file download, and here open the sample CSV file, and you can put all the computer host names here. Type all the computers names in computer name, and type here the your domain name. So all the computer will be added in your custom group. Okay, save this custom group and select here the option uh, filter based. Here is the option group. Okay, you can select here the your created custom group. Then you can deploy. Then after that you can deploy immediately. Yeah, deploy to the endpoints. So Google Chrome will be installed to your all the endpoint machines with as per your network. It is immediately installation all the your endpoint machines. No need to install one by one computer. It is automatically installed to package will be deployed to your endpoint machine. No need to manual installation required. Okay, right. So I will be select my computer for your example how to installation done. Okay, and deploy immediately. My configuration is created and now it is ready to deploy as per my distribution machine. Synchronization to central server. Distribution server machine is downloading the package. After that it will be installed to my host name computer. So this is the process how to deploy a software to the our multiple endpoint machines through our console. No need to manual installation required is here. So it is a very useful activity in managed engine tool. So friends, you can see here the configuration. What is the status of your software deployment configuration? Right now you can see here Google Chrome installation. It is showing ready to execute. When you click here, when you click here, you can see here the status of this configuration. Configuration detail, you can check here the configuration detail. Execution status, what is your execution status right now? uh, in this it is showing add to apply. Still it's not applied to my machine. Here is the replication details. So friends, you can see here the replication details summary. So I hope this video is